The Meliden post-match interviews are sponsored by MV Kelly, Residential and Commercial Civil Engineering. 0-0 draw. Where do we begin?
Yes, it's another. It's got to be another negative performance, obviously, after last week as well. If we put both games together, it's a we need to be with respect to where Llandyrnog are in the league and Brokernia, we need to be aiming for 6 points out of 6 out of them 2 games, and to come away with 1 point out of 6 is not good enough for us. With the quality I think that we have, we need to be winning these games, and that's not in any disrespect to them 2 teams. Last week Brokernia definitely deserved to win, so that was really concerning. But today there was actually quite a lot of positives there for us today. I think if I'm looking at the game as today, on another day we win that 5-0. We've had, I think, 5 chances at the post and the bar. We've had just clear-cut chances with a Stonewall penalty. So if we're looking at today as again, like I said, a standalone game, there's positives. It was a decent reaction from last week. Not a great one because we haven't won, but a decent reaction. Better on the ball. Application was better, but still not good enough. And looking at them 2 games now, the last 2 games, the results that we've had are nowhere near good enough for us.
We were literally close to getting front, especially at the end. Do you think there's opportunities missed?
Yeah, if we played the game for another 1 minute, it's a game that you'd probably score, and we hit the crossbar right in our last chance. But the game's played over 90 minutes, as we know, right? And we've got to look at the 90 minutes as a whole and think, right, how did we not use our dominance to win the game? And again, I'm not doubting our chances because we had enough chances. I think in the first half, our main chat was that we're doing really well to get in the final third, and it was that last action, that taking, having the shot a little bit quicker or knowing what's around you a little bit more. There was lots, real fine technical details, I think, in the first half, where I think we could have used our chances to score. But second half, I think we got a little bit flat at times. Second half got a little bit flat, and we only really kind of woken up from that in the last 20 minutes. So yeah, another negative day because of the result. Real negative last 2 games. This hurts again like last week in terms of being gutted because we need to be winning these games, and 3 out of our next 4 now are against top teams. So we need to really move on from these last 2 games, and we've got to turn up. Really got to turn up next week. I think we're away at Cerrig next week, so we've got to turn up away at Cerrig, and certainly put a better performance in against a top team next week. Yeah.
Right, thanks very much, Tom.
Cheers, Rob.